All right, I have a good news for you, and this time it's very special because this time 25% off on any AWS certification. I'm reading it once again, 25% on any AWS certification. Now you might be having question, what do I mean by any AWS certification? So here if you can see all these foundational exams, associate exam, professional exam, specialty exam, whatever you're seeing, these are basically all the list of AWS certifications which are available currently in the market, and everything is free, which is 25% off. So if you look here, who is eligible for this offer and all exams are included, if you see, the response is yes, all exams are included in this 25% off. All your basic ABC questions are already here. So you need to you'll get one free retake as well if you go up here. If you go up here, so this is double opportunity. So if you are unsuccessful, you'll get a free exam retake as well apart from 25% off. So here it goes all the deadlines. You got to take the exam between this and this dates. If you fail, you got to retake the same on or before the deadlines. Please have a note of these deadlines because these are very important, which you will need it. So all the exams since are completed, so let's follow the step by step whether you are eligible or not. So here it goes, all the instructions. Please have a read. I'm not going through everyone. And how to get started, get your discount. So now here is the tricky part. So you got to fill your business email address, not your personal email like your Yahoo Mail or Gmail or any kind of thing. You got to mention your company email address. If you're working in, let's say, Infosys, it will be at the rate infosys.com. If you're working in Cognizant, it will be at the rate of cognizant.com. Similarly, if your company is a partner, whether your company is a partner or not, you can ask your HR, the talent development team, or maybe your supervisors or managers. They will be aware, AWS, whether your company where you're working is partner or not. If you're probably in any kind of university, then also business email you got to fill, like at the rate of harvard.com, at the rate of oxford.com. That too should work technically. So you got to fill up this basic ABC details. Let's fill it up quickly, then I'll quickly hit the submit button. And voila, that's it. We got the successful message, your entry has been received. You will automatically receive 25% discount exam voucher via your registered confirmation email. So here we go. Please do share this video with your friends and colleagues who are into AWS so that it can help them and they will utilize of this opportunity. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please check out my other courses on Udemy by searching Cloud Guru Amit, where I have tons of courses related to cloud computing, that is Azure, Google Cloud, AWS, cybersecurity, management courses, and many more. And also please consider connecting with me on LinkedIn at the rate of Cloud Guru Amit or Instagram at the rate of Amit Physique, where if you need any kind of personal assistance, I'll be glad to help you out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do consider sharing this video with your colleagues or friends so that they can also utilize